Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto's channel. This video I will share you another BNB ecosystem altcoin because right now BNB has crossed $1,000 first time in history. After that, we have massive rally in BNB ecosystem coins. Recently, we see a massive rally yesterday, that is BNB DEX and DeFi project, and this one another BNB DEX and another DeFi project. Its name is Thena. THE symbol, $0.6 current price. Right now, pump by almost 66% here. It's just because right now BNB hit new all-time high over $1,000 price, and we have a massive bull run in BNB ecosystem altcoins, and soon in meme coins also. Okay, you can see chart all-time high market was nearly $200 billion, and right now we are again going on 100 also. Okay, in last 30 days coin is 79% pump. In last 14 days 94% pump here, so this is awesome that recently coin is almost 100% pump here. Current market $75.2 million and $331 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Friends, trading volume is amazing. 326 coins supply, that is its max supply in circulation, 115 million only. So there's still huge supply left to come in circulation in future. You can see OBBNB and BNB chain ecosystem coin. We have a DEX coin. Okay, this is also a DEX coin and a DeFi project, also decentralized finance Binance holder airdrop, already listed in Binance too, and at 3% down than its all-time high. There was November 27 last year, and 1000% up than its all-time low also. There were 2 years ago, and coin is also going to face its first mega bullion. And no doubt, friends, recently coin is 94% pump in last 7 days, but still we are at 3% down here. Okay, so it must be in your mind that coin is still at 3% down. These are central exchanges where this coin is listed. You can buy from these central exchanges. Binance LA lists this coin, MEXC. Okay, Arbit, Get.io. I think mostly central exchanges has list this coin. You can see BankX is here, Arbit is here, Weeks exchange is here, and many base central exchanges including Get.io is also list this coin. Let's check out social community that is active or not. Thena's name official golden ticket joined in October 2022. A decentralized trading and liquidity hub on BNB chain. So this narrative is amazing. Coin has good use case. 172,000 followers on X. So community is awesome, friends. And 1 hour ago they have posted here that this coin is going upward, and you can check out that this is another project, Esther's name, that is another BNB project that is also trending right now. So this is basically a decentralized exchange where you can earn on staking also. So project is looking good. Okay, friends, so you see the ultimate decentralized exchange. Okay, DEX. Okay, another DEX in BNB ecosystem. You can check us all further details here on their website also. Total volume $38 billion. Total value locked in their platform is $27 million, and total revenue $38.9 million. Introducing the Thema. Okay, Thena sport and leverage trading. They have some different trading platforms here. Passive income you can earn by staking here. This is good. There's a nice staking platform also. Social layer. So overall use cases are good. They have their partners, Anchor Protocol, Listagao, and Venus. They have some different partners here also, and some other information provide here on their website. So friends, know our project looking good, and right now this coin is also trending. Mostly BNB ecosystem coins are skyrocketing now. It's just because BNB price is pumped, that's why. And you can see trending coin Esther, then another BNB ecosystem coin is trending, and STBL, I think this is another BNB ecosystem coin that is trending right now. And we have Thena here right behind Pudgy Penguin. Okay, we have Thena that is 64% pumped here, and right now Thena is trending on CoinGecko and also on Coin Market. So this is really good. I think, friends, this coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. Coin has already hit, I think, $170 million market. That was all-time high, and right now market is over $70 million. But in this year mega bull it's possible that we can see Thena in $1 billion market also, because BNB has started this bull run. Okay, BNB is the first coin before Ethereum hit new all-time high. So definitely BNB chain altcoins has potential to be the next $1 billion valuation coins. And because Thena is right now trending, and a decentralized finance project, a decentralized exchange token also, so has potential to be the, I think, next 5 to maybe $10 billion market coin. As we are still 83% down than its all-time high. So I think in this year mega bull Thena can hit at least 3 to maybe $10 billion market cap.